What's up, YouTube? The Bearded Outdoorsman, your guide to all things gear and beards. Today we're going to be taking a look at a beard scrubber and giving you my opinion and a review on it. So stay tuned through the intro. Alright, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, I am the Bearded Outdoorsman. I do beard product reviews, some gear reviews, tutorials, and today we're going to be taking a look at a beard scrubber. Alright, so you may have seen these floating around online, but I'm going to explain it to you and go over it. But if you're new, please consider hitting that subscribe button and make sure to hit that thumbs up button as well. So I picked this up on Amazon. Now, what I picked up came in a pack of 4. I bought a pack of 4 for the sole reason price was really good, number one. Number two, I travel for work some, so I like having a travel bag kind of ready without having to add stuff to it when it's time to leave for work. So I bought a pack of 4, that way I could keep one in my travel bag, keep one in the shower, and now I have 2 backups. So this right here is just a plastic scrubber. All right. It's got a little finger hold where you can hold it like this, hold it like this, and I had seen them floating around online. Was like, hey, what's the hype? But found some on Amazon, decent price, so I picked them up. Now, I've been using this a couple times in the beard for probably about 2 weeks in the shower, and absolutely love it. All right, so in conjunction with my pine tar soap, this right here, now your natural tendency when you think of a scrubber is to take it, I'm just going to demonstrate on my head and not in my beard, would be to go in a circular motion to actually scrub. Well, you don't want to do that in your beard because it's just going to tangle up and all that kind of stuff. So what I do is I take my soap, I kind of get a little lather going, and then I will take it initially and run down like a comb, like I'm brushing it, all right, just to get that soap in there. Then I'll come up from underneath and go through my entire beard, and then come this way, and I kind of go in fluid directional motions, not circular. And so I go down, I go up, then I come this way, make sure to get my mustache and my chin and scrub it really good and rinse everything out. Now, what I have found out through this is it does an amazing job exfoliating that skin underneath that beard. And I'm telling you, when I get out of the shower and dry off, my beard is not only tangle and knot free like none other, it's also just feels clean. My scalp, my skin, my face feels so clean after I've used this. It's amazing. So if you haven't already, I highly recommend you pick one of these up. I know there's some companies, some beard companies that are putting some out. I don't really know what their prices are. I picked up 4 of these for, I think it was right around $10, $10 or $12 for 4 of them. So I'll drop a link in the description below for that. And but yeah, this is definitely part of my shower routine now, and highly recommend. So drop me a comment if you've already got one, if you've used one from another company or whatever. Drop me a comment, let me know. And if you pick one up and you try it out, drop me a comment, let me know what you think about it. As always, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.